Today I'm showing you how to make smoothie with raspberries and berries. So I'm going to be putting some red berries, and also I've been gone for 1 month, so yeah, I've been traveling, so yeah. Then I'm going to add some strawberries. Now I'm just going to blend it like this, and I'm going to blend that in. Looks so good, the colour. And then I'm going to add the berries and blend that in too. Now I'm just pouring it in a cup or a big jug. Then I'm going to pour the other mixture in the same mixture that I put it in the jug. Now I'm just mixing it all together, and it turns into a nice colour. Now I'm just going to put it in a glass. I did make a bit of a mess there, so that's how you make berry, raspberries and strawberry smoothie, and it tastes so good. I'm going to be posting short videos, stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.